Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about why we should take SA Organics Pure Mustard Oil. Mustard oil is a popular cooking oil that has been used for centuries in many cultures, including India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. But did you know that mustard oil also has many health benefits? Here are some reasons why you should consider incorporating mustard oil into your diet. Firstly, mustard oil is a rich source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that replacing saturated fats in your diet with these healthier fats can have significant health benefits. Secondly, mustard oil is a great source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect your body against cell damage and inflammation. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, arthritis, and Alzheimer's disease. Thirdly, mustard oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi in your body. This can improve digestive health and help prevent infections. Lastly, mustard oil is a natural source of vitamin E, which is essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. It also contains high levels of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. So, as you can see, there are many reasons why you should consider taking mustard oil. Whether you use it for cooking, massage, or as a health supplement, it's a natural and healthy choice for your body. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more interesting kinds of stuff.